No one goes up there.
No, we're not going up there.
Go up there.
No, we're not because it's
No, we're not
work.
because the
Oh shit.
No, we're going around the island, Michelle.
We're in too shallow.
What?
Quick, we've got to go around there. We've got to...
Okay, we're doing
Oh, there's
it.
all the dirt coming up from there.
I know, we're too shallow.
Yeah, we need to go down that
stuck.
island there.
Okay, we're starting to get stuck. No, we're not meant to do that. We're getting in.
This is the funny part, Liz. Right, are we ready to
Is
go
that
around
right
that island?
now?
Yes.
No, we're going to go into the island now. So we need to...
No.
You need to stir it around a little bit. Oh my god.
What do I do?
No, you need to row because we need to move away from
Row
the
where?
It's the only one direction you can go, this way.
No, we're hitting.
Rowing and it keeps
We've
on
got to hit
going.
that island. Are you videoing this? Fuck, Doug. Oh shit, that's funny, eh?
You need to get me over there.
Get us
Doug. Something's happening.
push off the start of this.
Just need to. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I'm not good at moving. I think we're stuck. Oh no! That's fine.
I wish I did what we don't have.
Look at your husband watching us like
Probably thinking, fuck, idiots. Oh shit. I think it's easier one person to do it.
I think so.
Yeah, that one all out. Shut up, Michelle. You're not bloody doing it.
now the back has to
Are you
turn
taping
over there.
this?
No.
Oh,
Oh,
there's a fucking bit of a... Go, hey man, how's it going? We're rowing and synchronised, but still we're just...
No, we're heading into an island now.
No, you need to row your bit if you're going round.
Again. Oh my god.
No, if I keep on rowing my side, you need to row your side so the arse of it.
Oh no, we're
No,
going
in a
back and
circle.
right.
It's alright.
We're going
Stay
back
there, I'll just do a circle. It's alright.
There, now let's go ahead.
We've got to face the back. We can't go ahead. No, stop rowing! We've got to get the boat round.
Oh, you girls.
Oh, now we
So
need to get
embarrassing.
All right, now straighten up.
Straight in there. Okay, now go.
Row! Yeah! Are you serious? That's it. Actually, I can't even get it all around the water. No, we got it now. That's all good in the hood. That's birds,
And really, I think these little bits of tree in my hair are really rather attractive.
Those birds laughing their arse off. You see those huge ones up there, the predator ones that haven't moved. They're moving, look, they're shaking its head. Yeah. What a dork, Michelle.
We're heading into an island. Look behind you.
Michelle's going to wear tree fern in her hair as well.
Let's go.
It's like not gracefully rowing, it's like
We're going into an
trying to
island.
get out
We're
of
going
here.
into an island. We're going into an island.
Why do you keep saying that?
Because I'm really scared.
Oh, come on.
It's fine.